Here is a mobile fishing pond where fingerlings, clarias fingerlings catfish are stored. This is my field. This is what I'm known for. Take a close look at the fishes, how they are being handled. At this stage, we reduce the water of this fish pond because we are making sales from this particular pond. So that's the reason we reduce the pond. And at the initial time, we did not feed them so that they won't have indigestion issue, or develop any form of infection. Yes, that is the reason we did not feed them, and that is the reason we reduce the water to the BRS minimum. Take a look at the level of the water in the mobile tank. Here is where we dry fishes. Here is the eating pond. Here is the eating pond where about 2 months old fishes are stored from fingerlings. Take a close look at them. See how healthy they are. You see how secured the place is. Take a close look at the eating pond fishes. Fishes in the eating pond, how they are doing. Yes, this is good. This is very good. Yes, this is Clarias catfish. They are about 2 months old from fingerling stage before they were stocked into this place. We are heading to the another eating pond where we have another set of 2 months old Clarias in a semi eating pond. Why I call it semi eating pond is because we have we use the cement to concrete the pond, to wall the pond. Are you seeing? Take a look. See how healthy they are. See how they are. They are doing good. Health and healthy. Health and happy. They are health and happy. They are doing very good. Yes. Here is another big eating pond where most of fishes were stored. We stocked them here. Here, take a look. Take a look. Take a look. It's about 20 feet. It's about 20 feet by 15 feet in size. The depth is about 5 feet. Take a look. We have this pond, about 3 of them. This is to convince you that there is money in fish farm. Yes. You need smart work, you need consistency, you need resilience, you need hard work, you need smart work to actualize your goal in fish farming. Yes, fish farming is lucrative. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. You're doing well. Yeah. Yes, you're doing well. This place was harvested, where we harvested some fishes from. These are mobile eating ponds. Yes. Take a close look at them. They are doing very well. Very, very well. They are doing very well. Mm. This is another mobile pond where we stocked with fingerlings. Over 5,000 with fingerlings are being stored here. Yes, over 5,000 of them